Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm using pumpkin. These little pumpkin cupcakes are gently spiced, and each one is topped with orange buttercream. They're beautifully soft, and they go really well with this pumpkin and spice latte. So let's start with the pumpkin. I've chopped it up and baked it in the oven. Those roasted edges really add to the flavour. Then all we have to do is blitz it, and then we end up with a pumpkin puree. I'm going to use this in both recipes today. Now, let's start with that pumpkin and spice latte. There we go, that was easy. You could also add your favourite dark spirit. That would really warm you up. So now for the cupcakes. This is one of those recipes that has lots of ingredients, but once you've actually got them together, it's so quick to make. First, all the dry ingredients go into a medium-sized bowl and have a little whisk. The sugar, oil and eggs are next to go into the large mixing bowl. Once I've done this, I'm going to give them a really good whisk. This is, of course, to make sure they're well incorporated, but they'll also go thicker as you whisk them. Once the mixture is light and airy, it's time to add the flavours. Vanilla extract is always the go-to base flavour. Whatever flavour your cake's going to be, vanilla seems to bring it out really well. I'm using golden syrup today, but you can use any light syrup that you like. Honey works quite well here too. And then of course the pumpkin, which gives that lovely colour, as well as oodles of pumpkin flavour. As I'm adding the flour and the milk, I alternate it. It mixes in much more smoothly. A little bit of flour, a little bit of milk, until it's all in. It's quite a thin batter, so an ice cream scoop works really well here. Don't fill them right up. I'd say about between half and 3/4 full. You'll know you've got it right when you've run out of batter. A good way of making sure that they're done is to pop a wooden cocktail stick into the cake. If it comes out clean, then the batter's ready. They're nice like this, and you could decorate them any way you like. I like putting a little bit of orange buttercream in the middle. Make sure the butter's really soft. I give it a little whisk just to make sure it is. Then gradually add the sifted icing sugar, a bit at a time. I've used a bit of orange extract to flavour this, but you can use orange zest, which is rather nice, with a little bit of orange juice. I also thought a tiny bit of chocolate would just add to the flavour here, and if it's tempered, it'll give a nice crisp crunch as well. So there we go, 2 nice little pumpkin recipes for you. I do hope you try one of them. The latte is particularly nice as a warming drink at this time of year. Have a super week, and I'll catch you again very soon.